Good evening, traders. This is market analysis for 11th of August. Let's see how markets behave today and also have a look at the levels as per volume analytics and order flow and see what are the possible moves which markets can give us tomorrow. In the video which I shared yesterday, we were discussing about the value area high and value area low of yesterday's session profile, which are important levels from a volume profile perspective. And if you can see, markets opened at the value area high of yesterday, and then it proceeded to come down and test value area low. I even shared a Twitter thread with the details of the setup that a trader can use using volume profile, a basic setup which, if followed with discipline, will give them high probable limited trades in a day that an intraday trader trading in Nifty futures or options can use. And then once price went inside the value area low, it made slow rotations to the upside, getting rejected exactly at previous day's value area high again before proceeding to come down. This is how you can have a basic understanding of the market context, even if you do not have an idea about the advanced concepts of volume profile or order flow. Using a simple technique of volume profile, the right technique of volume profile, or understanding the ranges can help you set expectations in any kind of market as to what can you expect from a market and how you can trade it. This is very important because the first step to trading profitably in a market is to have the right expectations from the market. You cannot expect a straight trending move every day. You cannot expect a range bound moves every day. You cannot expect a reversal move every day. Market does not give the same kind of moves every day. And as a trader, you need to understand what exactly can you expect from the market at a given time so that you can set your uh, moves expectations in a realistical way. You can also set what kind of profits or risk you are carrying in a realistic way in a particular market. Moving ahead for tomorrow, if I look at the markets for tomorrow, then the value area ranges for tomorrow are already set. 17,570 to 17,513 is the value area range. If you see the today's value area is right inside yesterday's value area, which implies that a 2-day value area range breakout or a breakdown is a very powerful pattern as per auction market and price action for you to trade. From a volume analytics perspective, using my proprietary techniques, the references that I'm looking at as of this moment, these techniques, the volume analytics techniques that I use, give an extremely early indication of either a trend change, a breakout, breakdown, or reversal. And as per those techniques, the references that I'm looking at as of this moment are 15,540 and 17,540 and 17,587. If at all we break 17,540, then there is a good chance the value area low can be taken out, around which below which you also have the today's low, which will act as the next reference, which is 17,450 levels, around 17,450 levels. If we have a look at the Bank Nifty charts, an interesting aspect of Bank Nifty is that as per volume analytics, the buyers, more than the buyers at lows in Bank Nifty, more than the buyers who actually push the prices up in Bank Nifty from 33,000 odd levels, we are seeing a higher volume activity at current market prices. During the entire chop of today, enough large positions by institutions have been built that a new range has been established on a higher time frame. Again, all of you who have been following me from the last few weeks and months know the importance of the higher time frame ranges that I state. These high players, these large institutions who set the ranges on a higher time frame, not intraday and not previous day, are the ones who decide short term trends. And these references at this reference at the moment on a higher time frame volume profile basis, value area basis, is that 38 36,950 to 38,440. Volume analytics states 36,950 to 38,440 is the new range which can carry for the coming sessions. If we have a breakout above 38,440, if we trade and during the opening time or somewhere during the day tomorrow above 38,440 and hold the ground for 15 20 minutes, then there is a good chance we can see a very good upside in case of Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty will continue to show more strength than Nifty. If we see a rejection and price coming down from 38,440 level, then I will already start building positions by selling calls above 38,500 for the coming week's expiry, since then I will have an expectation of the fact that index can test 37,950 and subsequently 36,950 levels. This is what volume analytics on a higher time frame states. Please make sure to note this level, as this will act as the next immediate short-term trend reference area. If I look at the largest positions made by players today, then in case of Bank Nifty, that is 36,950 to 38,440. This is from only today's basis. Again, this for tomorrow will not hold much reference due to the simple fact that we are seeing volumes being built higher on a higher time frame by institutions. So this range will carry more of a precedence for tomorrow's expiry. All in all, what I'm expecting from this indication, which only happened in Bank Nifty but not in Nifty, is that first thing, if at all we have an upside move or a breakout, then Bank Nifty can outperform Nifty. And for all intents and purposes, Bank Nifty is expected to be much more active, much more volatile compared to Nifty. Especially if we have a breakout, then Bank Nifty is expected to outperform Nifty. So expiry traders, please keep this in mind. I hope today's video is useful and informative, folks. If yes, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, join my Telegram channel where I share volume profile, volume analytics, and order flow based data updates in live markets every day, along with the positions that I'm taking. The link is given in the description below. Thank you all and see you tomorrow.